Okay, y'all. Today we are making lasagna soup. Now I didn't get the beginning of when I ground the meat up, but you want to do some ground up some ground beef, some Italian sausage, or you can do both. Season it up with your little Italian seasonings, some salt and pepper, and whatever else you like to use in your for your lasagna. Right? Right now, I got my chicken broth in here. This thing going too fast. Chicken broth or whatever kind of broth. Um, what I got I got some purple onions in there. I done chopped up, right? And this me crunching up the lasagna noodles, cause we gon' crunch them lasagna noodles up in there. I got oven ready, but you can use the regular. That's all they had, so that's what I got. Right now, we just boiling it up, letting it cook. All right. We got our garlic in there, our seasonings. Okay. All right, now we finna add our little heavy whipping cream in here. This gonna thicken it up. Now, I didn't like the heavy whipping cream as much. I rather would have put some half and half in there or just regular whipping cream. The heavy made it kind of too thick for me, so I didn't prefer that. But however you prefer. I don't add too much because I don't want it too thick. All right. And you just use your, what you want to do, how much you want to put in there. It's no exact measurement for that. Okay. And then you want to just let that cook. You want to let them noodles fully cook. All right. So that's what we doing. We letting it cook. Okay. While that's cooking, we finna get our little ricotta mixture going. If you like ricotta, some people use cottage cheese and other stuff, whatever. I love ricotta. I'm using ricotta. Eyeball it, however much you want to use, okay? My whole family don't care for the ricotta, so I'm not going to do that much. Get you some Parmesan cheese or whatever kind of cheese you like. We doing Parmesan. You can add a mixture of cheeses. Put in that Parmesan with that ricotta, right? All right, that's what we doing. Okay. Then I'm adding some Italian seasoning to it. Dress it up. Whatever else you want to add in there. Salt, pepper, whatever. Okay, I'm going to add a little garlic salt. Nothing wrong with that. A little flavor. Okay, stirring it up. Mixing it on up. Mixing the concoction together. Just mixing it up. Okay. Now this is going to go on top of the lasagna soup. You'll see. All right. See? So we're going to just scoop it. Toss it in there. Toss it in the pot. Scoop some. Toss it in the pot. Scoop some little balls. Toss it in the pot. That's what we're doing. Okay, we're going to cover it. We want it to let it melt a little bit. We want to let it melt some. Right? See it melt? See it's melting down? I'm telling you, this ricotta takes it up a level. I'm telling you, it's going to take it up a notch. It's going to give it that oomph that lasagna soup needs. You see that? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. When I tell you that ricotta took it up a notch, like it took it to another level. This seriously is going to be a staple. Like at least on the weekly menu. Once a week. It's that good. It's that good. No cap. The whole family loved it. I'm telling you. You got a big family? This is it. Okay? Drizzle it. Okay?